Welcome back to Low Stress Math with Mrs. Bono. I'm going to go over the independent practice. Lesson 3, more work with graphing systems of equations from Chapter 4, Solving Systems of Equations. Whew, that was a mouthful, huh? Okay, let's try starting with this one. This is already in y equals mx plus b form. And my b is at the back. Remember, what you add or subtract with no variable, that's where you begin. So begin at the back with the b. b equals -3. Now to get more points, I need the slope. There's no number in front of this x, so I'm going to put my own number, 1. 1 over 1. Because there's one x, that's why I use the 1. So 1 up, 1 to the right. Okay, starting here, you know what, let's just highlight these nice little y's here. It's always a good idea to start by highlighting the y so you can get the intercept right. So I'm starting down here at -3. Sure, Bono, put your glasses on. Find -3. There we go. Rise up 1, 1 to the right. Up 1, 1 to the right. Remember, you want to go all the way across the entire grid following that pattern. So now I have my first line. Yay, lo hicimos. And I'm going to label it y equals x minus 3. So now I have to do the other. Ow, bah humbug. Look at that. That's not y equals mx plus b form. So first things first, I am going to subtract 4x from both sides of this equal sign because I want to isolate the variable y. So I get y equals -4x plus 2. That's a positive 2. So now it's in y equals mx plus b form. And I'm going to highlight my b. And that's where I'm going to begin at the back with the b. b equals 2. And m equals -4 over 1. So I'm going to go down 4, 1 to the right. So begin at the b, positive 2. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 to the right. Oh, look at that. We're already on there. And remember, you want to have the line go all the way across. Here we go. There's our line. And yay, and write the equation on the line. So this equation, the original equation, 4x plus y equals 2. Okay, now I have to check. Don't forget to check your solutions. So my solution here is +1, -2, which means, here we go, solution. +1, -2. A little puffy cloud of happiness because I like that answer. But it really means x equals 1, y equals -2. So now I have to go back and put that into both equations. Y equals x minus 3. Y, make sure you're putting the right number in the right spot, is -2 equals, x here is 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is -2. -2 equals -2. Yay, it checks. Both sides of the equal sign are the same. Now I have to go back to the other original equation. 4x plus y equals 2. You're checking it in the original equation. Be careful that you're doing that. Here we go. 4 times 1 plus -2 equals 2. 4 plus -2 equals 2. Well, 4 plus -2 is 2. That works. Now, if you need to stop and use a calculator, do that. But this point works in both equations. Therefore, it is a solution to 2 equations. All right, let's try the next one. The first one's in y equals mx plus b form. So I'm just going to begin at the back with the b. And it's starting at +3. So begin with 3, but now my slope says 7 over 1. And my graph says I cannot go up 7 because somebody cheaped out on the graph. Now, I'm going to do the exact opposite of both these things. I'm going to go down 7 and left 1. So down 7, left 1. I only have 2 points. Again, the graph is kind of small, so I know one of those 2 points is going to be my solution. All right. For this one, still not in y equals mx plus b form, so I have to do that. Start with subtracting x from both sides. Can't combine like terms. Remember, the minus sign stays with the y. It's minus 1y equals minus 1x plus 3. Divide everybody by negative 1 because you can't have negative y. Have to be more positive than that. Positivity. And I get y equals 1x minus 3. So I'm going to begin at the back with the 3. And I'm going to get a nice bell telling me to stop working. Start here at negative 3. And I'm going to go up 1 over 1 all the way across. And connect it. Here we go. Label the equations. X minus y equals 3. And y equals 7x plus 3. And our solution is negative 1, negative 4. Remember, check your solution. I'll talk to you later.